Okay, I've got a simple routine for you today. I'm working shoulders today. So I'm going to do anywhere from 3 to 5 exercises. I'm not sure. I feel like I need to recover a little bit more, so I'm not going to go overboard with this workout because I'm still a little bit tired from the day I did legs. So I'm going to do a dumbbell overhead press. I'm going to do side laterals. I'm going to do dumbbell rows, maybe a bent over dumbbell row, maybe some dumbbell shrugs. I don't know. But I'm going to probably just do 3 exercises, and I'm going to go for 4 sets, 10 reps each exercise. So that's going to be a total of, what is that, 120 reps if I do 3 exercises. I always start my workouts with backwards walking around the tennis court. I do anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes, 15 minutes, and then I'm nice and loose. I'm in Florida and it's very hot. Today's kind of overcast. We had some rain this morning, but I wanted to get a little work in with the shoulders. All right, here we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Simple workout. Took me, it was about 35 minutes. So I got in 120 reps, 3 exercises. This way you keep progressing. Now, I have to keep reminding everybody, make sure you track. I track my workouts so I know when I need to add weight or more sets or more reps. All the best, guys. Time to go fruit up, baby. Take care. Adios, amigos.